Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print an email in Outlook Web Access. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account to access your emails. This will load up your Outlook inbox where all your messages are stored and ready to view. Now that your emails have loaded, look at the inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. From here, browse through your messages and locate the specific email you want to print. Once you've found it, double-click on it to open it up. This action will open the selected email in a new browser window, giving you a full view of the message content. With the email now open in its own window, direct your attention to the upper right part of the screen. You'll see a three-dot icon there, which represents additional options. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with more actions you can perform on this email. From the list of options that appears, click on Print. This is the key step that initiates the printing process for your email. After clicking Print, a Print Settings window will appear on your screen. This window gives you full control over how your email will look when printed. You can adjust various settings here, including the layout orientation, the total number of pages you want to print, and whether you want the email printed in color or black and white. Take a moment to configure these settings according to your preferences and needs. Once you've finished adjusting all the print settings and everything looks the way you want it, click the Print button at the bottom of the settings window. This will send your email to your connected printer and start the printing process. And that's it, you've successfully printed your email from Outlook Web Access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.